Umama uJacinta Mangobese Zuma uthujabule ngento ayibona yenzeka eMpumalanga. I-message isiyagijima kuma-social network ukuthi iMpumalanga ikhona. Laba ababethi i-March and March yakwaZulu Natali bashwebile. Ezi-March and March ezisiya kumhla ka-30 June sithi bonke labo abangekho ezweni ngokungemthetho mabahambe. I-March and March isiyiyo ekhuluma i-statement isezwe. Sizonivulela inkulumo ekhulunywe umama uMangobese Zuma, just ama-highlight ukuthi nazi ukuthi sibabhekile nabe-media bayasuka bathi ingane eshonile lapha ya is it Western Cape or Eastern Cape bathi March and March bazama ukudamaja igama le-March and March sithi ayikho loo nto. Siyabonga ngamaphoyisa aclarifyele i-statement ukuthi i-March and March ayisondelene nokufa kwengane. Siyawathanda amaTsonga as i-March and March, siyawathanda abeSuthu as i-March and March, siyawathanda amaNdebele as i-March and March, siyawathanda amaSwati as i-March and March, siyawathanda bonke abantu baseNingizimu Afrika as i-March and March. Okunye esizama ukucacisa sithi amapedi siyabona esifuna ukucacisa ukuze i-statement sethu kukhona lapha kwi-memorandum kodwa ngizokucaphuna ngokwama-pamphlet esiwabhalile ezi-March and March ku-State of the Nation address esisenze ngomhla ka-25 May senziwa umama uMangobese eseThekwini esithulela abantu baseNingizimu Afrika. Okokuqala nje ku-summary yami ye-statement esisenzile is that we call upon the government to stop the granting and processing of all refugees' applications with immediate effect. Laba abasuka emazweni abo bethi babaleka izimpi zezepolitiki. Kungani babalekela amazwe lawa akhelene nabo baze bezofika eSouth Africa? Mawukuthi ubaleka from eNigeria, the nearest country fanele kube iGhana noma kube iCameroon, ufike la eSouth Africa kungani? That is why we call upon immediate stoppage of all the granting of those visa applications. We also call upon the government for the immediate and isibonile singananazi lapha cutting edge ukuthi sikubekile lo. We call for immediate massive deportation of all illegal foreign nationals in the country. That is a call i-March and March. I-March and March ithi ngeke wake umuzi onesango kuphela kodwa ungabiyiwe lowo muzi kodwa wena ucontrola isango. So sithi abekhona i-amendment lapha kwi-Border Management Authority Act number 2 of 2020 to enable i-Border Management Authority to operate inland. So i-Border Management ayingagcini ngoku-operator le kuma-border, ayiphinde izo-operator inside the country. We also call for the transfer of all immigration officers to Border Management Authority once the legislation has been ukuthi bazokwenza umsebenzi wokwakha lowo border. We also call upon this call was made to the state president and i-mayor nodal point of connection to the state president ukuthi akushawe umthetho wewashi. You must declare illegal immigration as a state of emergency in the country. Ukuthi kunemali okufanele ikhishelwe mase kuthiwa sekudeclarewe i-state of emergency. So sithi uhulumeni makadeclare i-issue yama-illegal immigration as a state of emergency with immediate effect. We call upon the government to stop defunding. Minister of Finance akake emekancane kwamanye ama-program esingawaboni ukuthi aya kanjani. Abantu base-South Africa bathi ama-illegal immigrants abawafuni. So the number one budget efanele prioritized i-budget eya kwi-Border Management Authority, which is the BMA, so that the BMA izostopa operator at 25%. In terms of capacity. So we want the BMA to be fully capacitated so that it is izokwazi ukwenza umsebenzi wawo kuma-border gate. We also call upon all the state to legislate and pass bylaws to reserve township economy for South African small business. There is a call here, March and March, ukuthi wonke amabhizinisi akuma township akube are reserved for only South African. Asimfundo uNkulunkulu. Sicela ukuyirepeata le khona izozwakala. Mayor, sithi ngoba uwena ophethe i-authority ka-local government la kuhleli khona ama-spaza shop, sithi abe khona umthetho ozoshawa ukuthi wonke umuntu ophethe i-spaza shop ongayena umuntu wala e-South Africa makahambe. All the spaza shops should be owned by South Africans. March and March, through its State of the Nation address, has also called for an urgent transfer of all border police from SAPS to EPMA. Kuna la maphoyisa atholakala lapha eMleleni kuma borders of South Africa. Wonke lawo maphoyisa sithi uhulumeni akawa transfer angene kwi-border management so that ezongena ensimini yokugada labantu abangena ngokungemthetho ezweni. Isamari yethu le yama ephethwe kakhulu i-memorandum le esinayo ngoba mangathi ngiyayifunda yonke i-memorandum nganithatha isikhathi sonke kodwa khona okufanele sikugcizelele sikuphinde. We also call upon the government to stop the granting and processing of all refugee applications with immediate effect. Abantu abama-refugees uhulumeni akasimele kancane ukuprocess ama-application abo, sike sibheke laba abakhona nabo mabe-expire basidedele nje basike sishawe umoya kancane baphume. Ukwane sibalindile ukuthi basibize asimo sizocela umela asondele ukuthi azothatha uhlo lwezikhalazo zethu.
Chiquita mdala, mfuna niyakhipha bamba.
Ngicabanga ukuthi sikhohlwe into encane kule nto ayifanele ayisayine. Kule due date angithi asifuna ukumnikeza isikhathi eside. Sithi kumeza u7 days as abantu basemalahleni ukuthi baphendule.
Shoda phansi away ngabotsotsi away run tsotsi run tsotsi run tata emalakeni tata unite emalakeni unite unite emalakeni unite unite emalakeni unite when sabonga kakhulu asithathele thuba uMasipala waseMalakeni Local Municipality sibingelele kakhulu ubuholi obuvela kuNational, sibingelele nobuholi obukhona local, ama-councillors akhona kanye nazo zonke izinhlangano ezikhona zombangazwe kanye nomphakathi wonke waseMalakeni ohlangene namhlanje. Ngifuna-ke ukusho namhlanje njengoba-ke Mr Dube uthuthuliwe, ngifuna ukwenza ama-commitment amabili bese nawe siyaphuma futhi kuNational. Sifuna ukusho-ke Mr Dube namhlanje ukuthi masi-receive i-application for section 4 azange singabaze ke basayisayina then lokho kuyisayini ukuthi sifuna ukubambisana nokusebenzisana nomphakathi. Namhlanje sijabulile uMasipala ukuthi nize lana ukuzosilekelela ukulwa nempi esibhekene nayo. Kudala silwa nempi, sifuna isapoti omphakathi. Manje ke sobe sisebenzisana nani, sobe side by side line ukwenza sure ukuthi abakhona ekuhlaleni ngokungemthetho bonke kufanele bahambe. Angeke sivume ukuthengisa ngomhlaba wakithi. Sikukhulumile lokho 2 years back sisakhuluma la namhlanje.